Hey guys, rad performance. We're back on the 84 Camaro hood that seems to have a lot of sins. He's giving it a wipe down with the pre-painting prep. Gonna let it gas off. We've been short block and long blocking it with a little DA. Try to get rid of all the Bondo cracks and all the Bondo sins. So right now it seems pretty flat. And then we're gonna put a guide coat on it. And then we're gonna hit it with the really long longboard sanding. And then we're gonna see what it looks like afterwards and see if we're flat or if we have more work to do. Okay guys, so we put our guide coat down. You can see right away this guy's a high spot, but the rest of it is looking pretty good. So you got one high spot here we'll have to address. We're using the little slap hammer, which I'll show you right now. This guy. This is the second coat of guide coat. If you get down, I can see, I think the camera can capture it. You see there's like, we got a few little high spots, so we slapped them down. And then now we're gonna sand it again and see if there's still high spots, or if we can get them lower so we don't have the Bondo to raise everything up to the high spot.